Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a part 2 of my previous video on how to make an image editor in Thunkable.com, learning image properties. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So we had done this much design in the screen 1. We had added a GIF and we had added a background picture for the button too. So now in the photo screen we had added a column, a button too, and a row. So now in the towards the left side, as you can see over there, I'm going to drag and drop the button into the row. So there, and I'm now going to add my second button. Great. So this button is going to be the to maximize to actually zoom the image which you click. So I'm just going to give it a zoom, and here I'm going to just add the plus sign, and this button is going to be shrink, and here I'm going to add the max sign. So now I'm going to click on column 2, scroll down, and you're going to see horizontal alignment. Vertical alignment and space around. And again, even the horizontal alignment should be center, or if you want it to be stretched, like that. So now I'm going to add one more button in the middle. So I'm just going to drag and drop it in the middle, there. And this button will be the click the photo. So now I don't like the how small the size is of the font size, so I'm just going to change the font size to 20 for each button, or maybe 22 for the smaller ones. And I'm also going to add a background picture for each of them. I'm just going to add my old background, which was the background which I used in screen 1. Great. And now we are going to add a new component named camera. This is an invisible component, so it won't be seen. You can see it's down there. So now I'm again going to go to the photo screen, and here I'm going to have image. So I want the image to be below the buttons. So, and I don't want it to be in the column actually. So it sometimes gets pretty difficult to change where the image is, where the image you want to keep the image or any component. As you can see me struggling over here. Ha! Finally. So now I'm going to rename this image as food. So now we'll move on to the code. If you want to add a background, color or picture, you can add one. I'm just adding the old one. There. So now I'm going to click on blocks. I want to go to screen 1, and when the button 1 is clicked, we need to navigate to photo screen. So I'll do only this much for today. I'll have a part 3 of this. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification. Have fun coding.